In this video, I will show you how to find past streams on Twitch. First things first, grab your mobile device and open up the Twitch app. Once you're in the app, it's time to find the streamer whose past streams you want to watch. After entering their name, select their profile from the search results. Now that you're on their profile page, look for the Videos tab located just below their banner image. Tap on it to proceed. In the Videos section, you'll see various categories of content uploaded by the streamer. Look for a section titled Past Broadcasts. Here, viewers can easily browse through all past broadcasts made by this particular streamer. If you're interested in watching more than just what's displayed on this initial screen, tap on View All. This will expand your options and show every single past stream available from that streamer. To watch one of these streams, simply tap on any video thumbnail that catches your eye. The stream will begin playing right away. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.